Hi there, Julie. This is the instruction video on how to access your website and how to start looking at your blog page and doing your first blog post. So first of all, I've sent you an email with a link and a username and a password. If you click the link and pop in the username and the password and then click sign me in. Once you've done that, you can ignore these things to the right hand side. The only thing we're worrying about is websites, so just click on there. That will bring up this little preview of your site. All you do is go to edit website. That will then load Bramble, which is the system that we use to build your website. That will just load in your browser window, and then basically you'll be able to go on and make any changes that you want to do to any particular page. So you'll see it's all loaded up there. You'll notice that it stacks images on top of each other. These are your slider images, so don't worry about that. They're obviously not displayed like that on the site. It scrolls through them, but when you log into Bramble, it just displays them one on top of the other. So to make simple changes, you would click, and then that highlights in green to show you that you're editing this particular area. And then, much like something like Microsoft Word, you can click in and type and overtype different bits of information, and then obviously if you don't want to do that, you've got an undo button, which will put it back to how it was. If you make a mistake, for example, if you accidentally remove something and that's gone, all you need to do is leave and don't hit the green publish button, so just leave the page, and that way you haven't done any damage at all, you haven't saved that change, and then when you go back, everything's there as it should be. So I say to all my customers, don't try to edit too much of the actual cosmetic design of the site, because it's all been designed to work on iPad and phones. So it's best to just worry about little sort of small text changes that you want to make, change a word here and there, and don't worry about altering too much of the way it looks. If you want to do anything like that, then just let me know and I can help you with that. To navigate through the different pages, you just click up here and it brings you a list. So for example, your blog page. So I've just set up a dummy post here with just some random text and a random headline. So if you were going to do a blog post today, let's say it's about cushions, for example, you would type your heading, whatever that may be. You would write your blog post here, whatever the text was that you wanted to write about, and then you would hit the publish change. To change the image, you just click on the image. Again, it shows you that you've highlighted the image by the green. You click on change image. You take whatever your new image is, so for example we'll just use a random thing from my desktop, just drag and drop it, and then that puts that image in there, and again you would then just hit publish the change, and then that page is then ready to be put in the menu. So I hope that makes sense. It's pretty straightforward. Again, if you didn't want to save that page, you would just exit and leave, and you've done no damage at all. So the best thing is log in, have a look, have a try. Once you've done your blog post and you're happy with it, if you get in touch with me, and I will put that in the main menu for you, so it's live in the menu, because obviously at the moment it isn't live in the menu because there's nothing on the blog page. So have a go at doing your first blog. When you're happy with the post, get in touch with me, we'll put that in the menu, we'll check it all looks right, and we'll take it from there. I hope that helps for now, and thanks for watching.